According to the most recent United Nations population estimates, there are now more than 7.9 billion people living on planet Earth, and they won't stop growing anytime soon. Currently, 54% of everyone lives in urban areas or cities, highest it has ever been in the accountable history. So, which cities do a lot of people call their home? These are the world's largest cities updated for 2021. Unsurprisingly, most of the largest cities lie in Asia, more specifically India and China. Let's take a closer look at the largest 10. Number 10, Osaka, Japan. The very busy Japanese port city, located in the Kansai region of Japan, is the second largest Japanese metropolitan area and 10th in the world with 19.2 million people. This designated commercial center city is well known for its food scene. Number 9, Beijing, China. The capital city of the People's Republic of China is alternatively romanized as Peking. It is located in the northern part of the country and is of great historical significance. Beijing is the billionaire capital of the world, with most billionaires living in the city and around 20 million people. Number 8, Mumbai, India. India's financial capital and the second largest Indian city, Mumbai is popular as the center of Bollywood, world's largest film industry by volume. Located on the western coast of the Indian peninsula, Mumbai is home to well over 20.1 million inhabitants. Number 7, Dhaka, Bangladesh. The 17th century city of Dhaka is also Bangladesh's capital city and has a population of 20.2 million. Dhaka is a very congested city to live and experiences regular floods. Once termed as Venice of the East, Dhaka has since sadly lost its glory during the 1900s. Number 6, Cairo, Egypt. Egyptian capital Cairo, which means the vanquisher or the triumphant, is an ancient city that has grown into a busy urban center of the Middle East, with a population of 20.4 million. Cairo is very popular to be near the pyramids of Giza. Number 5, Mexico City, Mexico. Full of life, great restaurants, and warm people, Mexico City is a cosmopolitan city with a European feel and around 21.6 million inhabitants. With a convenient location in the Central America, Mexico City is North America's largest city. Number 4, Sao Paulo, Brazil. Brazil's Sao Paulo is known for its striking skyline defined by incredible architecture. Also the world's fourth largest city, Sao Paulo has a population of 21.8 million. This is the largest city located in both the American continents. Number 3, Shanghai, China. China's biggest city and a global financial hub, Shanghai has a population of 26.3 million. The city is located on the southern estuary of the Yangtze River. Not just this, the port of Shanghai is the world's busiest container port. 2. Delhi, India. The Indian city of Delhi has a population of 29.3 million in its metropolitan area, highest for any city in India. New Delhi serves as the seat of government, while Old Delhi features an array of historical landmarks owing to its rich cultural heritage. Number 1, Tokyo, Japan. The most populated city in the world is Tokyo, the capital city of Japan, that has a staggering population of 37.4 million residents. World's largest urban agglomeration, the vibrant city is Japan's economic center. Tokyo is a very old, continuously inhabited city. These were the top 10 largest cities in the world by population 2021. These alpha cities are all set to welcome more migrants in the coming years and grow in numbers. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Stats Shadax for more such content. Until next time, stay safe, stay happy, and stay curious. Bye bye.